Okay, um, this is me trying to recall to show you just how you can be making $50 every day. Okay, I think I have 52, so I want to show you something from this. Just a minute. I'm going to show you the steps. Okay, I may not be able. Okay, all right, I can show you now. All right, this is just for me to show you how the trades are done, right? While that is going on, let me show you how I grew this $50 from $10 portfolio. So let's go and check the profit table. That's the main essence of my video, really. Now this is forget this, just look at 28, from 28, which is from here, right? This is from 28, right? So that's today, just now. So I started with $10. You can see $10 to make 26. So this was the first trade. Bam, it was 1. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. So I had 10, grow it up to 50. This is the last trade, 50. So I only traded with the extra, the $2 on top. So all the trades were won. I won 7 trades. So now I won 7 trades. Now I have $50. I think the trade I placed did not pull through. Yeah, it's not coming up. Okay, it's not coming up. And I still have 30 minutes. It should come up a bit. Okay, let's see if I will win it or not. But the main essence of the video is just for me to show you how I've been able to grow $10 to $50, right? 10 to 50, how much percentage is that? That's 10. That's 400%. Hey, maybe you're doubting. Let me show you from my calculator. Where's my calculator? That's 400%, right? Because I started with $10. Now I have $50. Forget the 2 extra. That's 400% with 7 trades in a day. Anybody can do this. You too, you can be doing this. So I lost this trade. I knew I was going to lose that trade anyway. Why? Because I never followed any signal. I follow signal. I generate signal, watch out the signal, and I follow. So I don't just trade. Now I want to withdraw this. I like withdrawing with Bitcoin, really. I like withdrawing with Bitcoin. So I'm going to be withdrawing. Don't worry, I'm going to be withdrawing everything. Why? I like emptying my account, starting afresh, making fresh deposits. You need to learn to do the same. You can see the last time I deposited is a bit far, so I need to withdraw everything. So I just successfully converted everything to Bitcoin. That's the value of the Bitcoin. So now I'm going to be withdrawing. God bless you. Okay, let me show you the Bitcoin so that you get to see it, because after that you can see the Bitcoin. So now I can withdraw. It's $50. I can withdraw $50. $50 is like 18,000 naira. That's good. That's good. All right, so I can say cashier, withdraw. All right. You may be wondering why I prefer Bitcoin withdrawal. It's very easy. I can do it every day. Very easy, and I can do it every day. So I'm going to be stopping right here. God bless you. See you in another video.